everyone. This is oats 2021 harvesting. Back on 3000. So what that machine does, the big black machine does, is it basically takes a big section of oats and it chops it up onto the draper belts and it brings it into a windrow in the center, and it well, not really the center, off to the side, and then it leaves it there so we can come back with a combine with a pickup header. Basically, it's got belts that pull the crop in, and then it runs it through the combine like any other normal crop. So that's kind of how this works. This is, I think this is my second year showing you guys this. Yeah, pretty cool. Here we are a few days later, and we're going to be getting started with the oat harvesting. Yes, it's been a while since I've put a video out, but don't worry. This is going to be really exciting. Now I'm in the cab of the combine, nice and chill in here, and I'm going to show you up here. Here's our ag leader insight display. So we're going to be doing, so this part of the field right here and this part are divided into two roughly 40-acre fields. Well, this year that's not the case, but for previous years it has been. This little chunk right off the edge here that doesn't line up with the rest is where we're going to be harvesting oats from, right over there. So it's kind of what we're doing. Make sense? Combine is a beautiful combine. It is a 1992 John Deere 9400 with all the 10 series updates. So exactly the story behind this combine is the reason why it looks so nice. So we owned this combine till 2008 when we got hit by a massive tornado. This combine basically held the whole building up, kept it from like collapsing on all the other machinery. So we sent this thing to the dealer. They replaced the auger because the old one was toast. all the side shields, all the tin, everything was replaced on there. The rest of the combine was fine, and the plastic cab roof that was on the roof of the cab was replaced. I'll show you right here. That right there, it's really nice. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. There's going to be more videos on this oat harvest really soon, but this is the first one of the series, and thanks for watching, and bye. Thank you.